Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to post pictures on YouTube for your YouTube community. This is a fun way to share behind the scenes photos for the YouTube world. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now over on my desktop, I do have a couple of photos that we're going to be uploading today. The first one is of kind of a hammer in my keyboard key, and the second one is a fun duck key as well. And that's what we're going to be uploading today. So from our main screen here on YouTube, we do want to make sure we are logged into our account here, but you'll see a little camera right here and there's a plus sign in it and it says create. When we hover over that, we'll go ahead and left click on it and you should see the option here that says create post. You can go ahead and left click on create post. This is going to take us to our channel page where we can post to our community. So do make sure that community is selected here. And right here you can see there's different options. There's image, image poll, text poll, quiz, and video. You can go ahead and select image here. And it does say you can drag up to 5 images or GIFs from your computer. So you can either drag them over or you can select here and select those photos as well. Now it does say upload an image with an aspect ratio between 2/5 or 5/2. And only select images or GIFs that you have permission to use. So make sure you follow those guidelines. Now let's go ahead and drag those over. So we'll drag the first one in here, just drop it. And then I'll drag the second one over and we'll drop it in here as well. So you can see those uploaded right in there. And we can also write a message here. So I'll just paste my message in. Some new keys for my Keychron keyboard with a little fire logo. And once we're done and have it just the way we like it, we can go ahead and hit post here at the bottom. And it's going to post that to our community page here. There we go. They showed up. Some new keys. And we can just go through those and have a look at them for our YouTube community to see. So it's really that simple to post images or pictures here on YouTube. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for watching and take care.